this side. You will push. After, you will push your chest to the front. After, you will go to the left with your hip. And you stay from here with your chest up. And here, you will go down. This is slowly in 4 times. And you will make this sequence 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we will repeat this 2 times more, but faster. Like this. Ba, 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 ba. Okay? So, let's go to do this. We finish here in bows. Go to the front with the left and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Very, very good. After, we will prepare our arms, taking your higher and go to the side. The right leg will stay in front and you will make an arch with your hip, starting back, front, down, and one more, back to the front. You will start front, up, down. This is 2 times and all together. We will go to draw with our hip. This is after prepare our arms here. Don't stay at the side. To go to the front. To stay here and back, front and back, front. This is 2 times.